I'm going to be doing a room tour. So this is my updated room tour. I have a bunch of other room tours on my channel if you want to see how they looked before. This is how it currently looks. So, okay, so here's the first thing, which is the closet. So this closet is new. We like redid the wall so that there's like a closet in there. There wasn't one before. And it's super messy right now, but I finally have a closet. Okay. So now this wall has a bunch of like things. A lot of them I've made, but some of them I have bought. So I will show you all the stuff on this wall. So this section right here, I've made everything except for those butterflies. Like a lot of them are like collages and like I cut stuff out of the magazine. Like you can see like the Marilyn Monroe is cut out of the magazine, the like dancers cut out of the magazine. Okay, so the next section, so the Vincent van Gogh painting I got from my Goodwill. Then under it I have a bunch of collages that I made. So next on the wall, so the map I bought from Amazon, and then the painting with like the flowers, I got that from Goodwill also. And then the other stuff was all made by me except for some of the butterflies were bought. Okay, so now we have my nightstand. So my nightstand, I don't know where it's from because my aunt gave it to me. And then on top of the nightstand, I have a picture of my dog, some magazines, and a vase. And the vase is from Amazon. And then the pink flowers I got from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so next we have my bed. So the headboard is from Target. The comforter is from Walmart. The bunny stuffed animal is a Build-A-Bear, and then the pillows, a lot of the covers are from Romwe. They were like pillows that I had before that would look different, and I put like covers on them that I got from Romwe. And then the little black pillow with like the leaves, I kind of forget where I got that from. It might have been Target. I think it was Target. The fuzzy big pillow, I think that was from Walmart. So my wallpaper I got from Target. It's just like a yellow one. I just like measured out the wall and got the wallpaper from Target, and then we put it up. It was like a peel and stick one, so you didn't have to like put all the paste on it. Okay, so now we have this little thing next to my bed. That is a bookshelf, and I don't know where it's from. I've had it for a really long time. And then above it, I just have some pens and stuff. Okay, so then I have this wall. So on the hanging rack, I have a couple Kanken backpacks. And then I have a Michael Kors one. And then I just have some like random bags that I got from like random places. The picture in between the bags and the wallpaper, that one is from Target. And then the ones on the other side are stuff that I made. And the one with all of the paint strips, that is something that I made with just like gluing a bunch of paint strips onto a canvas. The and symbol is something I made, and then the world picture, I drew that. Okay, so next we have my bookshelf. They're the same type of bookshelf as the one that's like next to my bed, and I have no idea where they're from. So in the middle of the top row, I have some books. Most of them are ones that I had to read for school, but some of them are random ones I picked out. Then we have some like body mist and stuff. Most of that stuff is from Bath and Body Works, but I do have some pink stuff and some stuff from Hollister. Okay, then underneath I have all of my shoes. They are from like random places. I don't know if you want me to go through my shoes. Some of them are from like thrift stores. I know I have some Nike shoes. I have some Converse. I have a bunch of flip-flops. So here is where I have my vanity. So my mirror is from Walmart. My little like standalone mirror, if that's what you want to call it. I have no idea where it's from. I'm trying to think. It might have been from like Marshalls or something. And then I just have some makeup. I have the Shane Dawson Jeffree Star one, and I'm like ashamed, but like I like already bought it, so it's just there. And so I have like some random makeup. I have some makeup brushes. Then over that we have the butterfly pictures from Five Below, and the picture of the leaves is something that I drew. Then I have some passes from things I've gone to, like Playlist Live and stuff. It's like a thing where you like meet YouTubers. So above my mirror, I have a bulletin board. It has some like pictures. Most of them are from Pinterest that I printed out. And I have a picture of my dog, and I have a picture of like some scribbles I did. And then I have like a minion on there. Above that is an arrow thing that I got from Walmart, and I like painted stripes on it. So next to my desk is my door. My door is like a sliding one, and I have chalkboard paint on it so that I can like draw on it, but I honestly have not drawn on it in a really long time. And I have like my homework and stuff, and that homework is literally from like 9th grade, which was in like 2015 or it might have been from 10th grade, but either way, it's homework from like a really long time ago. I think that the calendar is like really old too. Yeah, the calendar is from 2017, so I think this is stuff from 10th grade then, but yeah. Okay, so that is the end of my room tour 2021. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. I'm currently trying to do Vlogmas, so subscribe because there should be a video every single day leading up till Christmas. Okay, that's all I have to say, so goodbye!